being able to take part in the mentorship program, that also opened up the door for so many incredible opportunities for me. My mentor, Rob Buchanan, he helped me get a position this past December, and I was able to be a production assistant with NBC for the Rockefeller tree lighting. And that was probably my favorite memory here.
So my favorite CCOM memory was winning second place in the Bateman team this year. It really brought us together as a team. There was only 5 of us, so we worked really, really hard during our month-long campaign to really bring Access Newswire to life on our campus. And Erin Weinberg, she was our professor. She's amazing, so we were able to accomplish a lot during that time.
My favorite memory was taking the Hall Communications class. That class specifically prepared me for after college the most. It gave me the real-world experience that I needed.
One thing I'll take away from this experience would definitely be going to Costa Rica with Professor Franklin in the spring semester. It was a beautiful experience, and there's nothing like being able to explore a new country with a bunch of other students who are in the same space as you.
I came in as a transfer student, and within that year, I was able to start my own club, start already trying to look for internships. I was already starting to grow myself as an artist, but also as a student.
First week of school, I had my hands on a camera already, and then I got 3 years of on-air experience, learned how to shoot, write, and edit. And I think for the future, I hear in sports, all the skills I've learned and maintained here are going to translate to the real world.
There's so much guidance and help all throughout, and different aspects of CCOM, whether it's the career services or the internships that they provide or the classes that they provide.
We're directly into New York City. I had an internship this fall semester in New York City, so there's plenty of opportunities to get involved in the college and outside of it.
I 1,000% believe that I am so prepared for my first job because of CCOM. I was so determined as a freshman to get involved, and every year I continue to keep going.
I felt like I've done so many projects and things that I would do in the actual field, and it made it so much easier and made me so much more comfortable transitioning into jobs. I know what I'm doing and I'm not stressed out.
Every student should consider Montclair. I feel like Montclair is so unique in the way where they really prepare you for after college.
Montclair, especially communication media, there was everybody wanted to thrive, everybody wanted to grow, everybody wanted to be a champ within their own major, within their own department, and that's something that I'll take with me forever.